Hey there, Titans! Today I will show you how to use advanced mode for text elements in Titan Survey. This will allow you to customize text, insert images, insert tables, color your text, and do so much more. So, in a Titan web survey, you have to head over to Add Text/Media, select a text element, and click on Insert. Now over here on the right, you want to enable advanced mode and click the gear icon to open our HTML editor. Over in Titan Web, the process is very similar, if not simpler. All you have to do is click on Add Text or Media, select Text, and automatically you will receive the custom HTML editor. Now this editor is very powerful. It can allow you to do many things. I will demonstrate a few of them today. So let's start by centering my text, and I can start typing my text. Let's do large text. Let's do a link. Let's do colored text. Let's do background color. So let's start with large text. I can change my text size to anything I want. Let's make this very large. Under link, I can hover over the link. I can click on Insert Link, or I can click on Control-K on the page. And here I can link to any web page on the internet. Up here, I have the option to color my text however I like. And under background, I can do that as well. Now, over under tools and source code, you can actually view your HTML source code and insert your own HTML code if you'd like. So I actually have some code here that demonstrates a few of the different options we have. So as you can see, I have here different text. I have bold text, italic, underlined. I have different fonts, different colors, can even insert a table, have a link as I demonstrated, and so much more. So this is for you to explore. Under Insert, you have here many options, and that's how it's done.